Hi guys, this is Dina. In today's video, I'm all excited to take you through my latest purchase, which is the Fire-Boltt Ninja 2 Max. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. Let me take you through its features. But first, let me tell you what we get inside the box. Here we have a smartwatch, a user manual, a magnetic charger, and a warranty card. This watch comes with a special 1.5 inches full touch screen, which supports a complete capacitive and responsive touch interface. It also has over 200 plus cloud watch faces to flaunt your style as per the occasion. Along with 20 sport modes, the watch has a real-time 24/7 blood oxygen tracking, dynamic heart rate monitoring, and other health trackers. The user can also get the benefit of daily breathing exercises through the watch. Sleep and stress monitoring further help fitness enthusiasts to maintain optimum health. The watch is IP68 water and sweat resistant, allowing you to use it during sweaty activities. You can also receive phone notifications and control music and camera functions on this watch without taking your phone out. It is also equipped with a solid battery. Once fully charged, the watch provides 7 days of intense usage time along with 25 days of standby time. This watch is available in multiple color options such as black, dark green, and rose gold. The Fire-Boltt Ninja 2 Max is loaded with health trackers and features and apt for daily use.